Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is components, attributes, Apex page. Components. Visual Force components are a small reusable piece of functionality. These are the building blocks of the page and are reusable entities. Components are classified into two formats: standard components, these defined by Salesforce on the Force.com platform. Standard components generally have the namespace of Apex, Flow, Chatter, Community, Analytic, etc. Custom components. These are created by the user as per application needs. These components will have namespace as C or the namespace given to the organization. C component name, namespace component name. Attributes. All VF page start with Apex page and ends with /Apex page. Every element in VF page should obey strict XML format: person, name equals to Kumar, age equals to 30, color equals to white, salary equals to 50,000, person close. Apex page block title demo, help URL, Apex page help title, my help. In this, Apex is namespace, page block is component name, title is attribute, my help is value. Visual Force is available in group, performance, professional, enterprise, unlimited, and developer editions. To enable Visual Force development mode, customize application that can be hosted natively on the Lightning platform. Apex tags. These tags are used to take full control of the HTML generated by the page, and it's assumed that page contains full and complete HTML markup. Some common used tags are Apex page, Apex form, Apex section header, Apex page block buttons, Apex command button, Apex page block section, Apex page block section item, Apex output label, Apex input text area, Apex select option, Apex select list. Apex page. VF page attributes API version. It will specify which version of API we are using. If we don't specify the version, latest version will be taken. ID. It is a unique string provided. ID will be used to refer to the elements in the page uniquely. Show header. It is a boolean value. When set as true, Salesforce standard header and sidebar components will be displayed. When set as false, Salesforce standard header and sidebar component will be hidden. Default value is true. Sidebar. It is a boolean value. When set as true, Salesforce standard sidebar components will be displayed. When set as false, sidebar components will be hidden. Default value is true. Rendered. It is a boolean value. When set as true, content of the component will be displayed. When set as false, content of the component will be hidden. Default value is true. Setup. It is a boolean value. When set as true, Force.com menu will be displayed on the sidebar. When set as false, Salesforce sidebar components will be displayed. Default value is false. Render as. If we want to generate the output of the page in the form of PDF, then we use render as PDF. Content type. If we want content of the page to be generated in the form of Excel to Word, Excel content type vnd.ms-excel has page name.xls. View and display in the form of Excel. Word content type vnd.ms Word has page name.doc. View and display in the form of Word. Standard controller. If we want to refer to properties of any object, then we use standard controller. S object can be standard object or a custom object. We can only refer one S object as standard controller. For example, standard controller account, standard controller customer underscore underscore C. Controller. If we want to refer to custom properties, then we define Apex class as controller. We can use only one Apex class as controller. For example, controller equals to example. Extension. If we want to use some of the standard properties of S object and some custom properties of Apex class, then we use extensions. action. When the VF page is loaded, if we want any action to be performed, we define that action. Action equals to apex page. Action equals to in bracket show. For example, create a page by the name VF page 7 and use some of the attributes. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in. So for creating the Visual Force page, first we need to click on username, click on developer console, click on file, click on new, click on Visual Force page, provide the Visual Force page name. Here I am providing Visual Force page 7. Click on OK button. First I am going to use the attribute show header, boolean property, it's making true, sidebar making it true. Like this we are creating Visual Force page and using the attributes. Click on preview. Now we are seeing this header and sidebar. If you don't need this, then we make it false. Now both the things are not coming. Header is also not showing and sidebar is also not showing. I am making it visible. Header like this, header is visible. Thank you.